Welcome, happy campers. It's me, Amanda, here with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're taking an inside look into this 2022 Grand Design Reflection 226 RK, and this is a new floor plan for this year. So I'm really excited to get started on the inside, but on the outside, as you can see, this is a little bit smaller of a Reflection fifth wheel, but it is definitely one of a kind. We also have a really giant awning here that has an LED light strip underneath it and some really fantastic windows. Only one entrance, but we do have some storage. Here we are in the pass-through storage of this Reflection. Again, it's pretty standard over here. We can fit our tables and everything for our outdoor entertainment space. We have two LED lights under here, as well as a battery disconnect, a satellite and a cable connection, as well as an outlet, and our convenience bay on that side, which has everything we need. And it looks like we've got our auto leveling system just centered right there, exactly where you need everything when you get to the campground. It's one-stop shop here, but let's go inside. Here we are right on the inside of this Reflection. There's a few things we like to point out, which is our controls. They're all next to the door. We've got our control panel, and we even have our indoor-outdoor speaker system that doubles as a DVD player. So that's super cool. Again, super convenient right next to the entryway. But speaking of convenience, this floor plan is just convenient to have guests or even friends around, period. I mean, you have your rear kitchen right next to the entrance, which means you can get food out there quickly and your guests can come in, and it's a private bathroom, so you don't have to worry about them getting too close to your master space. But before we get started on the kitchen, don't forget, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that bell notification icon so you get notified every time we post a brand new video, especially if it's a new floor plan. So let's get started. This rear kitchen has everything you need right on this back wall, basically. It has plenty of countertop space, residential size sink with that faucet that removes so you can do your dishes easier. We even have our 3-burner top Furrion stove with those backlit knobs that I love, and all of these drawers. Again, these stay pretty in place when you go down the road. They're pretty hard to open, but that's good. We don't want anything falling. And you even have place for that junk drawer I'm talking about. Or you can put it over here, and they even added extra shoe storage underneath here, which you could use shoes or maybe just a catch-all. Maybe you want to charge some things and keep them here. That works too, but let's look at our slide. This is our one and only slide of this Reflection, but it really helps get some of your main things off of the floor. So you've got a big walkway here so that your guests can go into your bathroom, or you've got plenty of space to cook. I'm currently sitting on our theater seating selection. I believe you may be able to put a trifold sofa here, but double check in that floor plan on the Grand Design website just to make sure. These, just a reminder, recline all the way back. Don't hit that slide behind me, and even have massage, lights underneath, and everything in between. And they're a great place to watch this TV that's right in front of us. And if you just need to relax, this is the spot. We also have our RV fridge. This is a Furrion fridge, but of course things change, so double check the camper you are purchasing and look inside. Plenty of room, and that is actually a drying rack for the sink as well, so they do come handy. But what about the dinette? Our dinette is an additional sleeping space if you need it, but when it's in a dinette form, it is super comfortable and easy to fit 2 to 4 people. We have a really nice sized window, a really big window, let me say, that looks out into our outdoor entertainment space, so you can keep in control of the party while relaxing inside. Above me, we've got lots and lots of storage as far as cabinets, outlets underneath them, and even this TV area up here that does have extra storage for maybe DVDs or board games or anything else you want to bring along. But let's hop down the hallway towards the bathroom. Here we are in the bathroom of this Reflection. Again, it's pretty standard. We've got our large sink area here with a pretty large sink, big enough for me to wash my hands and face on, mirrored medicine cabinet both here and above that toilet. So we've got 2 mirrors in here, which is great. We have outlets and plenty of places for a trash can. Here I am in the shower. It's plenty big for my 5'11" self. I love the giant shower head removable that they add in here. And we even have the extra mesh storage and the clothesline feature that I love, because you're gonna be swimming, you're gonna be getting dirty, you hang up your dirty clothes in here, no mess. And there's even a really nice at-home feeling with this frosted glass that is secure, so don't worry about it going haywire when you're going down the road. But let's look at the master. Our master has our residential size bed with plenty of storage around it, and I really adore those nice little sconces that turn on and off right there on them for each person, sort of a reading light. We also have USB charging ports up top and a nice little ledge to put your phone and possibly some other things right next to your head at night so you can go to sleep without them. We also have storage underneath this bed, and there is a little bit of carpet in this room as far as they had to lift the flooring up to put that pass-through storage underneath here, but I like that they added the carpet. It makes it feel good when you wake up and you put your feet on some nice soft carpet. We also have 2 windows in here, an AC unit, and this full wardrobe. This is an extra wardrobe with a giant hanging rod and its mirrored front, and we have 4 drawers down below it, so you may not have to have it, but it definitely is great for extra storage. But what do you think of this new floor plan? Did Grand Design do a good job? Leave us a comment below, and if you have any questions, don't forget to call us or visit us online at cookvillerv.com, where your adventure awaits.